In this video, I'll show you how to buy tokenized stocks on Kraken. The first thing we need to do is get to the trading page. So on the left-hand side, just press trade. This is Kraken Pro that I'm using. I'll leave a link below to sign up for Kraken if you don't have an account yet. I believe you can get a sign-up bonus for that link as well as of right now. So you can check if it's available at the time you're watching this. I'll just leave the link in the description. If you just press trade, just click trade here, it takes you through to the trading screen. Top left, it defaults to Bitcoin, but we're going to go to stocks and then xStocks right here. xStocks futures is a derivative product. That's something else. We're just going to choose xStocks, which is cash settled. So if you've got some money that you want to use to buy these stocks, you can go ahead and do that. So it's individual names and some ETFs that have already been tokenized. So, Robinhood, Tesla, Google, Nvidia, all of the big, highly traded stocks are already tokenized. Now there's also ETFs that are tokenized. So for example, GLD, that's the gold ETF. So if you want gold price exposure, you can buy this one. This is the QQQ, so the NASDAQ 100 index. This is also tokenized, and you can search them here. So let's search for SPY, which is the S&P 500 index ETF. So you can buy that as well. So all of the major, and highly traded names are already tokenized here. You can buy individual names or ETFs as well. I'll explain the major differences between tokenized stocks and then just how we would usually buy them in a brokerage account. So usually if you open a brokerage account, you will get access to stock exchanges. You can go and buy the stocks on those exchanges. You own the stock. You are the owner. It's under your name. You can vote at the AGM. Any dividends that get passed through will come to you as the owner. Now that's different to xStocks. xStocks, what happens is, xStocks is a company. I believe Kraken now own xStocks completely, or maybe a majority share. But they buy the stock and they hold it. It's under their name. And what they do is they issue a tokenized version of it. It's like an IOU, right? They own one share of Tesla. They issue the tokenized stock that is backed by one share of Tesla. However, they are the underlying owner. It's in their name and not yours. And so what you have really is price exposure to that share, right? So the price of an X stock or a tokenized stock and the underlying should be basically exactly the same, right? So you get price exposure, but you're not the underlying beneficial owner. You don't get to vote in any of the AGM or anything else. And if there are dividends, what happens is the dividends get paid to xStocks and they increase your ownership of shares. So you will get the dividends as an increased amount of tokens that you have, but all the cash is not paid to you. And that's because of many securities regulations and everything else. So with a tokenized stock, what you're doing is getting price exposure to the thing that you're buying, but you're not the underlying owner and you don't get to vote or anything like that. Now that may change in the future with a lot of the rules that are coming in and everything else, but xStocks are the owner. And all you get is price exposure. So as you can see here, while xStocks don't confer ownership, your same token balance will increase to reflect any dividends that are paid. So xStocks are the owner and that will not change. And what's happening here is that you're just buying price exposure to the asset that you want. So let's say we want to buy Tesla here. You can see that Tesla is currently trading at 414. That's exactly what it's trading at, in the market as well. So price exposure, but not underlying ownership. As of making this video, xStocks are only traded against USD. So if you don't have USD, you can simply trade into it on Kraken. So up in the top, I've got some USDT, which is a stablecoin, which is different to US dollar cash. So I'm just going to trade USDT like this, and I'm going to trade it against USD. So I'm going to find the USD pair here. So this one right here, that's going to change my stablecoin into actual cash USD that we can use to trade against xStocks on Kraken Pro. So I'm just going to go ahead and sell some USDT, confirm that. That will give me some USD and then I can use that to trade into any of the xStocks on the platform. Now that I've got some USD in my account, I can swap that into any of the xStocks that I want. So top left, we can just choose the ticker or go to stocks here and just choose any of them. So I'm going to search for Tesla, TSLA against USD. So we're going to click that. Now, I believe that as of right now, major countries are not supported for xStocks like US, UK, Canada, Australia. That's because of regulations, but that will change pretty quickly over the next few months or years. So if it's available for you right now, you can go ahead and trade. So we can trade any amount that we want. You can see the price right here. I'm just going to enter a market order. The current best offer is this one, so 415.89, and we can go ahead and buy that. So we'll take this. I'll press buy here. Just press confirm. And that will go ahead and buy the xStock. Once you've bought that token, it will just appear in your account just like any other asset, right? So in the portfolio screen right here, this is it next door to Bitcoin and all the other tokens that you can buy. Now, because it's a token, you can withdraw it from the platform as well into a wallet that you own. So on the right-hand side, go to this drop down, click withdraw, and then we can withdraw the token into a crypto wallet. As of right now, it's on the Ethereum, Solana, and Ton blockchains. So if you have one of these wallets, you can simply withdraw it to your wallet. You can use it in DeFi as well. That's too much for this video. If you want to know how to withdraw tokens from Kraken, I'll leave the full Kraken video guide down in the description below. I'll also leave the link to sign up for Kraken if you don't have an account. I believe they're doing a bonus offer as of right now, but that may change. You can find the details or the link in the description. I'm James, it's MoneyDG. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.